Today we're going to talk about the question that I get asked the most, which is my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this blowout. Simple, sleek, there's volume here. I usually get about 4 days between washing my hair. So on days that I wash it, like today, I will style it like this. Simple, straight, and sleek. I will wear it like this for maybe another day or two. And then as my hair gets a little oilier and weighed down from product and oil, I will take a curling iron to it. And the last 2 days of my style before washing it again, I will curl my hair and have wave to it. But today we're specifically going to talk about how I achieve this blowout. Okay, so after I get out of the shower, I take a towel and I just kind of run it on my hair to get out any excess moisture. So it's not like dripping with water, but it's still very wet. Then I will go in and I will take the Oribe Serene Scalp Oil Control Spray and I will just section off pieces of my hair at the crown and I will spray at the root. So basically I'm going to spray like here, here, and here. I don't really do the back or the lower part of my head. You certainly can if you produce a lot of oil there, but typically by the time I'm washing my hair, it's because this area is very oily and dirty. So that's where I want to control the oil, and that's just going to give me a longer life between blow drying my hair, maybe an extra day or two. So I'll go in and I'll spray this. Then I'll take a brush and I'll just kind of comb through my hair. Now I use a few different styling products. I'm going to share with you the one that I use today. This is the Oribe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. I'll take a little like dollop of this and I will run this through my hair, avoiding the root, okay? I don't want to put this on my root because it's a cream. And again, I want to get a lot of days between blow drying, meaning I don't want to put a lot of heavy products around here. So I'll put it about here down and I'll really work it into the ends. And this is what I use today. Sometimes I'll use the Royal Blowout. Sometimes I'll use Invisible Defense. I try not to use too much at once, but those are kind of my styling products that I go to. Those are the ones that I love. But today I use this because I did want some really sleek shine to my hair. I mean, look at this. This looks so sleek and shiny. The Oribe Royal Blowout is really nice too. That's an oil spray. That's kind of pricey. And the Invisible Defense is a heat protectant spray. I didn't use it today. I just used this, but this is, yeah, I will link all of them below, but I wanted to share specifically what I used today. Okay, after that, I'm ready to start blow drying my hair. So I'll run a brush through my hair to get all the tangles out. Then I will go in and power dry my hair. So power dry basically just means I'm taking a blow dryer. So right now I'm using the Dyson blow dryer. I actually just bought this a couple weeks ago. I was using the GHD, but it busted on me. I had it for years. I loved it, but now I moved to this one and I actually prefer this one. It's so good. Power drying just means basically drying your hair to about anywhere from 80 to 90%. So you're getting most of the moisture out, but it's still damp. You're not taking time with a round brush. You're not taking time to smooth it out. You're not drying section by section. You're literally just drying that hair as fast as you can, but leaving some moisture in. So when you're done power drying, it's gonna look a little crazy. It's gonna look frizzy, it's gonna look big, it's not gonna look good, but that's okay. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush through the hair, then we're gonna start to section off. So I will basically work in sections, and I'll start from the bottom section first, and I will take most of my hair and I will put it in a ponytail or a clip. Then I will go in with what I call is my secret weapon, the Dyson Airstrait dryer. I love this. This is like, I can thank this for this style, really I can. So this is basically a flat iron that doesn't use heated plates, it uses hot air. So it's much more gentle on your hair than like a flat iron would be. So then I take section by section and I will run the Airstrait through each section nice and slow, getting that last bit of moisture out of the hair. So it's not only completely finalizing the blow dry and drying the hair, but it's also creating a very sleek, shiny seal to the hair. So it no longer looks frizzy, it no longer looks like puffy or big, it just looks sleek and shiny. And I will do this section by section by section. By the way, this has a wet and dry setting. So when my hair is wet, I will use the wet setting obviously, but I do use the dry setting like the next day. Like the next day if I wake up and my hair has crimps in it from the day before, I will use the dry setting just to get out those crimps. So I use it on wet. Before I go to the next section, if there is still moisture right at the root of my hair, I can't fully get this at the root because when you put this, you can see like the air's here. You can see there's a part that the air doesn't quite get to the root of. So what I will do instead is I will close it, clamp it shut, and then when you do that, air blows out of this. So then it kind of works like a blow dryer. So then what I'll do is I'll just put that right at the root to finish and finalize that dry. And then that's all I'll do. I'll go section by section and I will just run this over each section, maybe 2 passes, and I kind of move slowly so that it really has time to warm the hair up and create that really beautiful shiny seal. When I'm done doing all the sections of my hair, I will just part my hair, and usually I have a little bit of flyaways up here. If they're really noticeable and they're bothering me, I will take a little bit of the Oribe anti-humidity spray and I will spray a little bit of this just to control those flyaways. This is really great if you live in a humid climate to control humidity from, making your hair big and puffy. But it's also kind of like a really, 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 really light hairspray, maybe. Almost like a very light hairspray. Oribe also has a hairspray called Super Fine, which is also a light hairspray that's great if you need something with a little bit more hold. But I find this is usually good enough just to get those flyaways tamed down a bit without adding any crunchiness, hardness to the hair, or any like excess product that's gonna just look, heavy the next day. So that is my blowout routine. I will end up with hair like this. Then the next day I will wake up and I will use the Dyson Airstrait on the dry mode, and I will get out any creases or, any folds in the hair just to make it look like this again. And then usually by day 3 or day 4, that's when I will start to use a curling iron and change the style, get some nice loose beachy waves, add that volume back before it's time to rewash again. And that's it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna tag all these products that I mentioned on YouTube Shopping, so if you wanna pick up any of them, they will be right there for you. I'll also link them in the description box as well. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.